sweets within 2 hours last night. It is about a theme that I am sure everyone is familiar with or has experience using this equipment, which is washing machine. Let's watch this together.
My son did not go to school today. The reason is that the washing machine is broken. How should I do? Yesterday I tried to wash his shirt in a washing machine, and after I put it in the machine and put detergent and softener and press the start button, but there is no water supply in the top, and I don't know what to do next. So in the afternoon, I got a call from his teacher, and she asked me why my son did not go to school. I told her that because our washing machine is broken, and she insulted me like, why don't you have like maintenance plan for your washing machine? Like, why do I have to have like maintenance plan for like washing machine?
As you can see, there was a mother who did not let her son go to school and accused the washing machine. He was furious when she was blamed for not knowing about machine maintenance, and she shared her frustration on Instagram. When it became viral, thousands of comments agreed with the teacher and insulted the mother continually. If this happened around 5 years ago, I would say that it is okay if the mother did not know any maintenance practices. However, nowadays, I am certain that almost everyone in this country knows how to maintain household equipment, since the government assigned EGII 412 to be one of the subjects that every primary school had to teach, and even every channel on free television had to present a short program of EGII 412 before and after broadcasting any dramas. Therefore, I am very surprised that there are people in this country who still don't know about this. So today's special guest, we are honored by one of the washing machine experts in the world, Professor Dr. Ryan Calpreglo, who wrote this year's best-selling book, Washing Machine 101, to discuss this hot topic together. Good afternoon, Dr. Ryan. It's a pleasure to have you here today.
Good afternoon. It is nice to see you as well. So my name is Ryan Calpreglo, and I have been working with washing machine since I was 9 years old. And I have a PhD from the University of WashingMachine, and I received a Nobel Prize for the best washing machine expert for 10 consecutive years. And I'm currently working as a maintenance consultant for hundreds of washing machine manufacturers and services providers in Thailand.
I would like to ask you about this thing. After watching this, how do you feel about it? Really?
Personally, I would say that the mother was not supposed to be hatefully insulted for not knowing how to maintain the washing machine, because there are really many people in our society who haven't acknowledged this concept or realized how important it is. And this is why I wrote my book. However, the thing that I cannot understand is that why the mother did not solve the problem by washing the uniform with her hands.
Oh yes. Maybe she did not have any plastic business in the house, no? So I would like to know if the washing machine breakdown normally happens frequently.
So generally, washing machines are supposed to have a lifespan of about 10 to 13 years. And according to the research, the machine will start having problems after 5 years. And surely, periodic maintenance practice may be required. Main problems may occur at its coupling, belt, and motor due to the stress the machine bears when it is overloaded, or even if the user puts too much detergent. The malfunction could happen as well.
And could this situation be assumed that the mother was so unlucky to face this situation?
Well, it is not all about being lucky or unlucky. Actually, there are some risks and uncertainties involved in this, but breakdowns are possible due to the continuous usage or time passed. So if we use some principle in maintenance engineering, we can control this, for example, having a time-based preventive maintenance
pay higher repair costs. And since you are with us today, our team did interviews with some people about the problems that they are facing using the washing machine, and would like to ask you to help them. Here we go.
This day there were water leaks from my washing machine and I have to clean it up every time I use it. Sometimes my washing machine is too noisy. I cannot watch my Netflix peacefully when it is working. Problems? Yeah, of course. Is having no one helping you hang these clothes included?
Surely, as an expert in this field, I could ensure that every problem has its own solution. I mean, do not buy a new one every time. Many times it can be fixed by your own capabilities and maintenance. Things are not as hard as you may think. You just have to understand the problems well. For example, the noisy sound may be due to the abnormal shaking or vibration, and this is possibly a result of installing a new washing machine on the rough ground, or its base is not well balanced with the ground. So in this case, little adjustments in the installation location may be required.
This sounds so simple, and for the problem which that model faced, could you give us some suggestions on how to fix that?
Well, for that case, the washing machine did not supply the water in the tub. It might be the effect of lichen or foreign matter clogging the water supply. This could be solved and prevented with simple time-based preventive maintenance by checking and cleaning the water pipe every 3 months.
Thank you so much for sharing this tip with us today. I believe that this information will benefit everyone who watches this episode of On Class A, and I hope that the mother and the spirit will watch this as well. But that is not all, Dr. Ryan, today. I've heard that you are writing another book about the washing machine, right? Could you give us some spoilers?
Of course. So currently I'm writing a new book in my washing machine series, and its name is called Washing Machine 101, Why Not? It contains more about washing machines and what everyone should know about an equipment, and how to FEMA in the household version. Have you ever heard about FEMA? Kundum Kanchiang?
Oh, I have never heard about that before. What is that?
Well, it is fine that not many people have no idea about this, since the EGII 412 TV program has not included this topic yet. So basically, FEMA is a failure mode and effects analysis conducted with the aim to take actions to eliminate or minimize failures, starting with the highest priority ones using severity, chances of occurrence, and detectability as the ranking criteria. It is simple but powerful. So I will describe this briefly. As you can see on the screen, in each issue, we will have potential effects of failure and 3 important values, which are severity, occurrence, and detection rating. And in the next column, we'll have risk priority. The higher the value of the RPN indicates that we should put more effort into tackling the problem first. For instance, the electric shock problem. The severity rating is quite high at 10, since it could take someone's life, but it does not happen frequently, and it's easy to be detected. So overall, the level of risk is not that high compared to the others. So we could fix this problem by installing the electrical breaker or finding the leak and sealing it with tape around 3 or 4 times.
So according to this table, the first problem that we have to work with is having no one hang the clothes and collect the clothes after they dry. Is this an important issue? Right?
I think yes, because it is considered to be very severe for many people. People always feel burdened about this since it frequently occurs. So this problem needs to be solved before other things.
Oh, I see. I think this table is quite easy to understand and it benefits us as well. I believe that many people would not expect this industrial